A shift is emerging at the heart of the manufacturing world. Additive manufacturing, more commonly known as 3D printing, is able to build complex forms with significantly lower build preparation time, production time, and material waste. This gives the technology the potential to revolutionize design, production, and the performance of conventional parts, making it a powerful tool in moving us from mass production to mass customization. Everyone loves the concept of being able to imagine a part, draw the design, and just push a button to produce the final product. In the case for metal parts, the challenge lies between part manufacture and final product. Each metal build will need some post-processing, such as heat treatment, support removal, and polishing. The various processes can be quite labor-intensive and time-consuming. This is especially true when building high-precision metal parts. With the help of Innovation Quarter and the support of EU Interreg 2C's programme, 7 organisations have teamed up to tackle the challenge of fast and efficient post-processing of these parts. Hi-Tech Multin, 3T RPD, TNO Innovation for Life, University of Exeter, Argon Measuring Solutions, University of Applied Sciences Rotterdam, RDM Makerspace. Each partner can contribute their knowledge, skill and expertise to tackle the 4 main issues that characterize the challenge. Flexible clamping of the part throughout post-processing, scanning and mapping of the part for compliance with the specifications, translation to the CAD/CAM interface, and control machining of the part and polishing of its surface. Each process has their own set of obstacles, and integrating them into one system will create additional difficulties. A prototype of the final setup will be tested on several demonstrator cases provided by observer partners supporting the investigation. This prototype system will act as evidence that an integrated and efficient system for post-processing can be achieved through the combination of knowledge, expertise, and high-end technologies. Let's start a revolution.